Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cora from VIVNE channel. I know some of you guys must have such kind of concerns. VIVNE's battery are shipped from overseas, so if there's any problem about the battery, how to solve it, who will solve it? So today in this video, I'm going to tell you something about our warranty services. So first, we provide 2 years or 80,000 kilometer warranty services, whichever comes first, both for single modules and full battery packs. During the warranty period, we make sure that the battery can be charged and discharged normally. No high voltage fault alarms. Battery pack SOH is not less than 80%, and after fully charged, the 12 bars original capacity indicator will not drop below 9 bars. If the battery can't reach above 10s, we promise to repair it or replace the modules for free, and the shipping cost is on us too. In addition, in order to provide a better after-sales service, we cooperate with local partners to provide a local service together for customers. Now we have some partners in LA, California, Australia, New Zealand, etc. And we are expanding our after-sales team right now. So maybe you can just give me your address so I can check if we have any agent there. Yeah. Of course, the warranty has preconditions that customer must follow. 1. The warranty is non-transferable and only applies to the original purchaser of the product. 2. If the customer does not follow the operating instructions provided by VIVNE, install the battery correctly, the warranty policy will not cover any damage caused by incorrect installation. 3. For customers who purchase battery packs, if the customer opened the battery packs without VIVNE's permission, VIVNE will no longer be responsible for the warranty. 4. For customers who need to reprogram the BMS, after you received the programmed BMS we provide you, you need to send all the BMS back to us for recycling. If you do not send the BMS back to us as agreed, we will no longer provide the warranty service. So, in order to have better warranty service, please follow the above policy and feel free to contact us when you have any problem about our battery. Yeah. Alright, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Any problem, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.